Hello guys, welcome to today's class where we'll be looking at an example on the identity elements, how we can actually apply our knowledge of the identity elements to solving questions like this, where you are given a particular operation with its own formula. And in this question, we are given an operation asterisk with its formula showing the relation between A and B, where A and B are elements of the set R of real numbers, as we all know that. From here, we remember that what we have A, we are given A asterisk B for the operation, equals to 2AB minus B plus A squared. And then we are asked to find, we know that, okay, and that thing we know is that what AB are elements of R. Fine. We are also asked to find the identity elements of this operation. First of all, for identity elements, we need to recall the formula, the operation, the way the identity element relates. For identity elements, we know A, for every A operation, E must give you A again. That is what the identity element operates upon. And if this is what the identity element is saying, that means we'll be comparing this relationship to the operation that we're already given. In the operation, we have A, operation B, but then for the identity element, the B, the second variable changes value from the B to being the identity element. So in short, all what we'll be doing here, we'll just be substituting our B for the identity element. That's all. So from here I can say, from the identity element I can say, since A operation E is this, I can now say 2A, instead of B now, I'll be substituting this with E. I have 2AE minus, instead of B, I have E plus A squared equals to A. And now because I am looking for my identity elements, all I need to do here is multiply, divide both sides, factorize everything I can do everything just to make sure that you make E the subject of your formula. So that is the idea. So in short, you make E the subject of the formula. Say. Because E is the identity element that we're looking for. The subject of the relation. So we make A the subject of this relation. We collect like terms. We have 2AE minus E equals to A minus A squared. I can factorize my E from here. I'll be left with 2A minus 1 equals to A minus A squared. From here, I can divide both sides by 2A minus 1. I'll be having E equals to A minus A squared over 2A minus 1. This, therefore, becomes my identity element. We can be expressed in this form, or also, if I multiply both sides by both the numerator and denominator by negative sign, I can also express it in this form. That is, the minus will affect both of them. E can now be expressed in what? A into bracket A minus 1 all over 1 minus 2A. So in short, this is my identity element, and then that is the concept that we follow through when we are solving for the identity element. In the next class, we'll be looking at another example on how we can actually get the identity elements based on the type of example we are given. So see you next class. Have a nice day.